Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Prima HD Pocket Projector. You can get this product for about $400. Check out the link in the description. The projector comes with a remote control, a tripod, an HDMI cable, a power cable and a user manual. It's pretty small and lightweight, about the size of an iPhone. The projector has a TF card slot, 2 USB ports, an HDMI port and an audio jack. All important buttons are on top of the projector, so you can also use it without the remote control. Setting up the projector is very easy and only takes a few minutes. The tripod is included in the package. The settings are clearly arranged and it's very easy to connect the projector to your Wi-Fi network and your Bluetooth devices. Thanks to the built-in Android software, you can use the Google Play Store to download the apps you want to use with your projector. You can connect a USB stick or an external hard drive to the projector or use an SD card to watch video files. I tested the projector for about a week and I think it's a good product. It's small and lightweight and you can use it almost anywhere. So if you're looking for a portable projector with built-in Android software for your home or office, I would recommend the Prima HD Pocket Projector. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.